This is a brand new website that can make you over $2,500 a day even if you sign up for absolutely free. You just need to follow a few simple steps from this tutorial and you can set this up from anywhere in the world. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the NexGen logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. So we'll begin with step number 1, which is to come over to a website called Kraken.com. Kraken is another cryptocurrency exchange marketplace where everyday people like me and you come to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. And the reason I said this is that lately everyone's been talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, ADA, and more. Now that you know what Kraken is all about, for step number 2, you will proceed to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website where you will see this about section underneath where you can find the affiliates tab and they'll open up the affiliate page for you. I know there are many different reasons why today's strategy is great, and one of which is that affiliate marketing is proven to be getting results not only for me but for millions of people around the world. So it's a proven business model. Now you don't need any website for this and you don't need any previous experience. It's all absolutely free. Now Kraken affiliate program will pay you up to $1,000 per person that you refer. You refer 500 people and that's $500,000 for you. And the free traffic sources, which I will share with you, have a potential to get you millions of clicks in order to make up to $2,500 a day. And you just need 2 people to sign up through your link and start trading crypto. And since this is currently a hot topic and everyone, including Logan Paul, is talking about it, this is the perfect time to start. Now you'll be making 20% from whatever your referrals spend in Kraken. And if they buy some crypto that's like $1,000, you will get $200 completely passively without lifting a finger. So if they trade $5,000, you will get a $1,000 and so on. And as you said, there are people that literally spend tens of thousands of dollars on these platforms. In fact, Elon Musk invested over $1.5 billion in crypto. So this is definitely a huge industry and there's a lot of money on this table and you should get your slice of that huge pile of income. For the next step, once you land on the affiliate program page, I want you to scroll down and you'll be able to see this form right here. So it's gonna say step number 1. Click here to become an affiliate and click on that. So that will take you over to the registration page where you will need to sign up and create an absolutely free affiliate account. Now you'll just need to fill out some details about yourself, enter in your full legal name, your valid email address in this box, and retype your email address. And once you are done, you will scroll down and you'll see it sign up. For the next step, you just need to start referring people to Kraken. So you just need to start sharing your affiliate link with other people so they can sign up to Kraken and they can start trading cryptocurrency. There will be multiple traffic sources which you can use to attract the right people to this platform. And all of these traffic sources which I'm about to share with you are absolutely free. Some will get your better results, some are easier, some are harder. So make sure you pay attention to all of the following traffic sources. For the first traffic source, I want you to go over to Google and search for the list of top 100 cryptocurrencies. So search for a list of the top 100 cryptocurrencies so you'll know which ones are the most popular ones. And this is the first thing that should pop pop up. It's going to say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Tether. And you can just open up the website and see all of the trending cryptocurrency right here. And the reason you are doing this is because this is going to be useful for the traffic source number one. So what you can simply do is, let's first start with Bitcoin because it is the most popular one. You will need to proceed to a website called Quora.com. This is a platform where people come to ask and answer specific questions, and according to SimilarWeb, Quora is being visited by over 500 million people every single month. So there's a lot of potential with Quora.com. So just come over to Quora.com. You can search for questions like where to buy Bitcoin, or where can I buy cryptocurrency, or how to trade cryptocurrency, or where can I buy Bitcoin using PayPal, or something like that. I'm going to search for this, and that's going to give us all these people that have asked this question. And a really good thing about Quora is that questions that are asked on here rank really high on Google. So when someone searches this question in Google, something from Quora will pop up, and you can answer these questions, and you can tell them that they can use Kraken to trade Bitcoin and to buy and sell any cryptocurrency, and just leave your affiliate link over there. And since they're all interested in investing in these types of cryptocurrencies, there's a huge chance that you can earn some commissions from that. And the reason I told you to search for top 100 cryptocurrencies is because now you can see what's trending. For example, Polkadot, and you can go over to Quora and you can search where can I buy Polkadots, or where can I buy other cryptocurrency that's currently popular. So you can kind of get an idea from this list to see what people are mostly interested in and what will the search in the future. Your reply with your affiliate link will stay forever on Quora. So maybe in a couple of months or even years, someone will come and see your comment, see your reply, and potentially take action. So this is a long-term game that can definitely make some decent amount of passive income. But you will need to put in some work. You will need to reply to as many people as you can. Find as many people that are interested in trading on Quora and just refer them to Kraken through your affiliate link. And Quora being visited by over 500 million people every single month, and you just need 2 of them to send it through your link in order to make $2,500. So you just need 2 people out of the 500 million. And if you want to maximize your results, you can also use Square alternative cold answers. And this over at theanswers.com. It works pretty much the same as Quora. Search for those questions or even ask the question yourself and then reply. So you can say that at the top of the results, answers is not as big as Quora. So it's being visited by only a couple of billion people per month, but it still has a decent potential. Besides that, you can also join different forums that are discussing trading and investing. So you can join different forums that have hundreds of thousands of members that are already into investing. Once again, this is probably not gonna be easy at all, but it has the potential to make over a few $1,000s a day. So I think it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it to spend a couple of hours a day trying to find referrals for your Kraken affiliate link and make thousands of dollars. I mean, you can do this with your phone, tablet, laptop, computer, or whatever you prefer, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So make no excuses about this. Well, this is still a hot topic. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.